Hey everyone, Chris here from Brick Players Union, and in this video I'm going to share with you my conversion of the LEGO City Flatbed Truck set 60017 from 2013. So let's check it out. Now, normally when I do a conversion, I like to keep the look of the MOC as close to the original as possible, but this time I decided to try something a little bit different. Now, don't get me wrong, I like the look and the color scheme of the original, but it was just too small. The flatbed's only big enough to accommodate a small city car, so I wanted to make the flatbed bigger. And if I was going to make the flatbed bigger, I knew I'd have to make the whole truck bigger as well. Now, I recently built a MOC conversion of another LEGO City tow truck, set 60056 from 2014, and I really like the way that one turned out. So my idea for this new MOC was to build the truck itself like the conversion of set 60056 and then replace the tow boom and hook with a larger modified flatbed. So I built the truck using the larger Speed Champions fenders and the larger 24x14 City wheels and tires. I added some side steps, a set of grab handles, and some chrome smokestacks. I also added some control levers for the flatbed and a toolbox with the jump start pack in case the car just has a dead battery and doesn't actually need to be towed. Now, once the truck was built, the rear was big enough to accommodate a flatbed that's 18 studs long, which is plenty big enough to accommodate most of the vehicles in my city. Now, the original flatbed truck sits low enough to the ground that a simple hinge is enough to get the flatbed close to the ground at a workable angle. But the MOC sits a little bit higher, so I had to add a slide mechanism to get the flatbed to ground level without being too steep. And the slide mechanism also makes the truck much more realistic. I also added a set of ramps to the rear, which not only helps with the angle, but also gives the flatbed a little bit of extra length, allowing it to carry even larger vehicles. I also added a chain to the winch and tow hook, which can be attached to 2 points on the vehicle to be towed, which makes pulling the vehicle up onto the flatbed a lot more stable. And I added a set of wheel stops to keep the vehicle nice and secure once it's up on the flatbed. And the end result is a larger, more realistic flatbed truck that can tow a wider variety of vehicles and do so much more securely. Alright, there you have it, my MOC conversion of the LEGO City Flatbed Truck set 60017 from 2013. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do. And if you have a minute before you go, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd also like to give a shout out to JoJo Bricks 23, Yarlistic, My Lego City, and Brixonville. And on that note, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.